Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mirror of Ideas. This is Abhilasha and today I am here with bathroom improvement items from Flipkart. Lot of options are available online and in Flipkart from which you can select, but I have done little easy for you. I have selected few beautiful things for bathroom which you can select according to this video and then you can have it from Flipkart. First one is mirror, cabinet mirror, which is very important in bathroom as it can store lot of things which are in daily use. And next, this golden color and flower shaped mirror are equally very beautiful. You can place it in bathroom or in other room also. Rectangular shaped mirror from Flipkart Perfect Home is very beautiful and sober. You can use it in bathroom also or any other place. Next important thing in bathroom is liquid dispenser, which is yet very classy, trendy and stylish. You can just hang this on the wall and pour the liquid soap inside it and you are done with it. So different varieties are there. I have selected few and I have put it in this video. You can see, and because the link was not available, I have given the names and the price. Next important thing in the bathroom is this multi-purpose bathroom shelf, towel or hanger holder. This is very nice because whatever things are required, normally you can keep place on the top and you can use it because towel holder is also there, so you can place it near the basin or sink. Different varieties of this are also available. One more type of this hanger was hanging type, which you can hang on the shower and then you can use it. I think for the person who are on the rented home, they can use it because they can easily remove it and no need to put nail on the wall, so it is easy. Next important thing is a towel holder, which is very again very in reasonable rate, I would say. Different varieties or very stylish this towel holder was available in Flipkart. I have selected, you can place it according to your choice. See, the this price may vary because sometimes the price are little high, sometimes the price are little down in the Flipkart. So what you have to do, you have to select the item and keep in the wish list, and when the price goes down then just order it. Next thing is important is the this corner shelf. Corner shelves are equally very important because you can place on the top also where you want some liquid detergent or soap or cleaning agent. Just place on that and you are relaxed because the children can't touch it, and you can place some beautiful pots also over that so that your bathroom look very classy. Different type of thing and holders are available in Flipkart, so you can check it. I have selected few, so these are on this video. Impulse stainless steel is very nice. Then nowadays we are using a hair dryer, and also for placing this hair dryer, this thing is also available in the Flipkart, and this is I think very important and very cheap also. You can get it from there, so try this one also. Next, this toothpaste and dispenser and toothbrush holder, which will protect the toothbrush from any dust or any insects, is also important. And next important thing is bucket and sitting thing, so that is also there. More varieties are there in Flipkart, you can check it on. And if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you, bye bye, take care. Do share it, like and subscribe.